lawnmower is here. Just chuck the lawnmower, roll it, or do whatever you feel like. We're trying to get the girl killed. Talk in a girl voice. I'm Bob, by the way. Okay, dude. Okay. You know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. That's too bad. Oh my God! Please don't throw soccer balls at me. Heads up, Matt. That's how you do a lawnmower.
Sure, you didn't do anything.
Oh yeah?
You guys are such bad actors.
I'm gonna set up a video stand so I can do it with my full power. Okay, yeah, you can shut up about that. Perfect. Here we go.
Pump it up. Okay, we can back some of that Fanny. Give some of that Fanny. Let's go. You sit in the chair now.
What?
Yes. Get over there.
Second.
Pump it up.
Oh, God.